In this video, I will show you on how to simply locate your Alipay payment QR code and your WeChat wallet payment QR code with a simple method. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, or you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Alipay, or any Chinese e-commerce apps or website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the description bell for more useful tutorial about WeChat wallet and our Alipay account. So with that being said, let me show you how. Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to locate your Alipay payment QR code and at the same time your WeChat Pay payment QR code. So let's get started. The very first thing we want to do is to head over to my WeChat. So I'm going to simply click on here to open up my WeChat. Now, after you open up your WeChat, next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on me right here. The next thing you need to do is to go to Pay and Services. The next thing you need to do is to go to click on Money right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on Receive Money. And in a few seconds, the QR code is going to generate right here. Once it generates, next thing you need to do is to click on Save Payment Code. Having you click on Save Payment Code, the code is going to and then save to System Album. Click on Got It. It's that simple. So this code here can be used to send money to and straight into your WeChat wallet. Let's take a look on how you can get your payment QR code in your Alipay. The first thing we want to do is open up my Alipay. The next thing we want to do is to click on Scan. The next thing you want to do is to click on Pay. Then the next thing you want to do is to click on Receive. In a few seconds, it's going to generate your QR code for individual payment receipt right here. Here, you can easily screenshot of this particular QR code right here or click on Save Picture. And it's going to automatically save into your phone gallery. You can see Save to Album. It's as simple as that. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about Alipay and WeChat Wallet or WeChat Pay, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, or you want me to fund, or you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, Alibaba, or AliExpress, or any Chinese apps or e-commerce website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.